Myanmar, a country that was so diverse, not only with its raw natural beauty, but also its man-made wonders. Relics of thousand-year-old pagodas, floating villages of Inle Lake, and legions of monks. A country where Buddhism is the foundation of Burmese society. Are you making a dress? Yes. Wow. My umbrella, coloured umbrella. We started our journey in the ancient city of Bagan. During its golden reign, approximately 1,000 years ago, it is said to have had over 10,000 Buddhist monuments built on its vast plains.
Myanmar was a country that truly touched our hearts. Immersing ourselves in the Myanmar culture not only opened our eyes, it also broadened our minds towards their beliefs and traditions that have stood this test of time.
So far, so good.
We're getting closer.
Wow, how cool is this? Wow.
Pebble.
Thanks, JJ. This is so cool.
I don't smoke, so I don't even know if I'm doing it properly. Woo!
Whoa.
Bye, have a nice trip.
Hello.
You ready?
We there?
Ready? These are like 1,000 years old. Oh, is this a pagoda?
I think it's a temple.
How old this is? Hang on a second. The light looks a little bit better on this side. Dan, this is Gigi, and Emily. What do you got, Dan?
I think we're onto something here.
And the trick is to try and find the best angles.
All right, let's go.